Open Business Contact Extractor and switch the collection mode to Google Maps. Select the country you want to target. This helps the extension process local phone numbers correctly. Next, choose one of the ready-made Google Maps search templates. Change the business category and location to match your target. For example, dentists in Dubai. Press enter and wait for the Google Maps results to appear. Once the results are visible, open Business Contact Extractor again and make sure Google Maps mode is selected. You now have two collection options. Select Collect Loaded Businesses if you only want to scrape the businesses currently loaded in the Google Maps results. The extension will collect the available business names, phone numbers, websites, and Google Maps source links. If you want to collect all available results, select Start Automatic Scraping. The extension will automatically continue loading and processing businesses from Google Maps. Keep the Google Maps tab open and avoid using the page until the process is complete. New contacts are added to the same list, while repeated businesses are automatically detected and merged. The collected websites are also saved with their business records. To find more contact information, open the website contact scanner and select Import Contacts. This will import the collected businesses that have website links. Choose your scanning delay and start the website scan. The scanner will check the public business websites for available email addresses, additional phone numbers, WhatsApp links, and other contact details. Any new information found will be added to the existing business records. Once the scan is complete, review your contacts and export the updated list to CSV or JSON.